Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. After learning about the certificate of completion, let's further explore the Doc Passport. Here are the other tabs that can be seen under the passport. Starting off with history. This is where you can see the audit trail of your document. With the use of blockchain technology, DOCONCHAIN can track and record the activities of your document from the moment it was created, sent, viewed, signed, completed, and even beyond the completion of your signing process. On the History tab, you will also see information such as the trail, document file name, username, and timestamp of the activity. This feature helps you to track your document for any possible leakage or fraud. Next, we have the Blockchain tab, which includes the hash codes that is encrypted on your document once it is signed and completed. And lastly, we have the User Data tab, which consists of the information about the creator and the signers. That's all for the Doc Passport. See you at the next video. Thank you.